that is within the content of the eyeball, and it's normally 15 millimeters mercury with a range of 12 to 20. So it is maintained by dynamic equilibrium. There's a balance between the flow of the aqueous humor and the outflow and the venous pressure as well. So this is the way they measure it. This is what we call a tonometer. Tonometer. T-O-N-O-M-E-T-R. Tonometer. They measure the intraocular pressure of the eye. Okay, so if the intraocular pressure of the eye is increased, what they call now that condition, I read it a while ago, it's now called glaucoma. Yan. So, tumataas yan because there is no resistance in the outflow, okay, within the network of the trabeculae in the canal of Schlemm. So, hindi na siya ma-reabsorb, and the intraocular pressure, it can rise up to 60 to 70. Diba, sabi natin, ang alloy is within 15 to 20 lang at least. Okay, and they may cause blindness due to compression of the axons and the optic nerve. Okay, so this is just a picture of it that I can show you. So, ang nangyayari, hindi nga maayos, block yung trabecular meshwork natin in the canal of Schlemm. There's now a buildup of the pressure. Thus, nagkakaroon na ng mga pag-iipit ng pressure doon sa ating optic nerve. So, hindi na tayo nakakakita ng maayos. Okay. So, that is part 1 of our lecture. Okay. Do you want a break muna before we move on to the next? Sige, let's